You want to know what's happening more and more? Multi-generational families are choosing to live together. And we just had a consultation come in where the mom, the wife, and the husband are all now listed as equal owners on a property. To get that property, mom sold her house and contributed to the down payment, and wife sold her house and used that money to contribute to the down payment. No marital money or community money was used for the down payment of this home that is now owned by the three of them, grandma, wife, and husband. And the question, of course, is, does grandma get her money back from her down payment? Does wife get her money back from her down payment? I'm Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney, and the answer here is probably not. So in a divorce, you get to argue an equitable distribution. So we could argue that an equitable distribution wouldn't be equal under the circumstances, but generally speaking, if everybody's names is on a house, then that is owned by 1/3 for each of you. Now, grandma could have a claim against dad or mom to get her portion back, but there's this pesky rule that requires all real estate transactions or real estate contracts to be in writing. And since there is no written agreement that anyone is getting their money back, they probably won't get their money back. Here's what you need to understand. Buying and selling real estate are some of the biggest transactions you'll ever enter into. You need a real estate agent who knows what they're doing. There should have been an agreement at the time of the purchase. In my opinion, it should be required. Where's the down payment coming from, and what happens in the event of a death or a divorce? It would be really great if that was handled or explained. If you put this name, the money that you're putting down on this house is no longer yours. It is now going to the three of you. Is that what you want? I would really love to see that happen. But until then, we don't have a law protecting you. You need a great real estate agent. We work with ZachSellsAZ.com. I've got an episode with him on our podcast and highly recommend you contact him for any of your real estate needs.